तुम्ही पळयता गोवा रिपब्लीक 24 तास लाईव्ह. प्रेझेंटली जी ग्रामसभा आसली ती स्टॉप जालेली आसा आणि तुम्ही सगळे लाईव्ह पळयता. आता सेक्रेटरी सरपंच हा, पळोवया सरपंच आणि सेक्रेटरी कितें म्हणटा ह्या प्रकरणाचेर. तशी वयता तशी अशी देतली एकूच वाटा काय आनी कितें वाटा. सरपंच ती म्हणटा तशी भायर सरली जाल्यार यो यो ना दितली. मॅडम आयज ग्रामसभा जाल्यार तेज्या बद्दल थोडी इन्फॉर्मेशन दिवची.
See, today's meeting was an adjourned on the Gram Sabha meeting, which was confirming and proceeding minutes of the meeting. But certain members, Gram Sabha members, are deliberately disrupting the meeting and not allowing the proceedings to continue, which we will file a report to the Director of Panchayat and take necessary action.
Madam, they are also saying that MRF something issue in the field, something in
See,
that.
regarding the MRF, it is very clear that the matter is sub judice. I do not want to make any statements.
Yeah. Just now that High Court has given a judgment regarding in field something is there, so Panchayat should.
We have not received anything in the Panchayat.
Okay.
We have not received any
Means secretary have not informed you anything like this judgment from High Court.
As of now, I have not received anything.
Yeah. Thank you.
I have not received anything.
Thank you.
Regarding the meeting, it is clearly we have a video which states that the meeting was called off, and I said a thank you. After that, they are additionally purposely asking me supplementary questions which cannot be entertained. Once the chairperson has closed the meeting stands closed.
Yeah. Thank you. मॅडम जेन्ना हांगासर ग्रामसभा चालू आसली तेन्ना जे लोकल्स आसले तेंच्यांनी म्हटलें तुमकां खंय कोण तरी प्रेशर करता ते तुमी कशें पळयता.
म्हाका कोणूच प्रेशर करना.
म्हणजे तुमी फ्रीडम जजमेंट दिना म्हणून अशें म्हणटाले.
See, certain people here, even if you give them a freedom, even if you answer their question, they will still ask supplementary question to disrupt the meeting. From the day I become a sarpanch and attended the Gram Sabha meetings or chaired the meeting, these people are constantly disrupting the meeting. Some necessary action has to be taken by the Director of Panchayat to such people.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
The proceedings have to continue.
सेक्रेटरी एक विचारूंक जाय आसलें. सर रिसेंटली एक जजमेंट पास जाला हायकोर्टान रिगार्डींग इलिगल कन्स्ट्रक्शन, इलिगल फिल्डान कितें आसा जाल्यार ते जजमेंट कशें पळयता तुमी. या बट सरपंच म्हणटा तेजे कडेन तशें जजमेंट कितें पावूंकूच ना म्हणटा अजून. जजमेंट अरावंड 6 मार्चाक कितें जाला हायकोर्टाचें आणि रिमेनींग जी पंचायत आहा तेंच्यांनी ऑलरेडी जजमेंटाचेर आणि एवरी टायम जेन्ना ग्रामसभा आसता हो इश्यू कित्याक जाता. लोक आणि लोकल्स म्हणटा आमकां सेक्रेटरी नाका. हे तुमी कशें पळयता.
And some good demolition notice we issued, but people had gone to the court. While the matter stands, we cannot proceed.
सेक्रेटरी तुमचेर कितें प्रेशर बीन आहा, पॉलिटिकल प्रेशर रिगार्डींग इलिगल इश्यू बीन.
What kind of? Nothing personal. I don't have any personal grudge against anyone, any of them. Gram Sabha members.
Yeah, thank you.
Sometimes they come personal and like they put a remark. Since today, Francis Rodriguez, so I want to take legal action on that. As per the law. I am deputed by the government. It is not that I am staying by myself over here. Got it? The government, wherever transfer, I have to go. And I have to abide, but I have to go by the law. But that is not a word during the Gram Sabha to say, got it? And I don't have any personal law against anyone.
Yeah, thank you, sir. सर आयज ग्रामसभा सारकी सडनली चलता बंद जाली. कितें सांगपाचें
No,
दिसता?
I don't have much to say. Only thing that it's sad that Gram Sabha is postponed for the second time for no major issue. Deliberations were over. 1.5 hour discussion took place on MRF. Supplementary questions keep going on. Meeting, the chairman cannot go on till 3 o'clock in the evening. Proceedings, there are rules of Goa Gram Sabha, rules are there which have to be followed. Masters are shouting like hooligans. That is not a deliberation. In the Goa Assembly, in the Parliament, sessions go on. Who is the chairman? The speaker. If any member elected in the Legislative Assembly crosses his time limit, he is made to sit down whether he is from ruling or opposition. We have seen this conduct of business. So we have to be educated enough at grassroots level to follow the rules. You just can't shout, whoosh. What is this? Is this a bullfight? The
Sir,
Sarpanch is still trying to control and invoke the rules. They don't want to listen. So then this is who is the loser in this? Not the panchayat. We the public are the losers. No projects are coming up in the village. Gram Sabha members are not proposing even a single development for the village. Only casting aspersion, corrupt, passing buildings. Panchayat is not passing buildings. Town planning is approving the projects. Buildings is sending to the panchayat. Panchayat's duty is to check for issuing construction license only the title of the property and pathways if existing. This is the only limited scope to reject a license. If the panchayat rejects the license, construction license beyond this, they go and appeal to the director or additional director of panchayat and get the approval. Somebody was questioning, your Sarpanch's father. I'm Sarpanch's father at home, not here. I'm here as a Gram Sabha member for development of the village. My daughter being member elected, my own residential project was rejected for renewal of license at Uttarda by a Sarpanch who was elected to the term, Charlotte Fernandez, with the support of my daughter and 2 of my elected members. She herself rejected my construction license renewal of a building which is already standing. So how is it Sarpanch's father here?
Sir, recently High Court has passed one judgment that in panchayat jurisdiction, if any illegal construction or in paddy field is illegal construction is there, so
Here I am carrying those judgments
Yeah.
to implement them. But when the Gram Sabha is adjourned,
so have you received that judgment of High Court which have
I
passed in
am a
6th?
public interest litigation
Yeah.
before the Honorable High Court and National Green Tribunal against the government in the matter of private section, private properties from 2009 till 2014. Due to my personal circumstances, I have closed the windows of public interest litigation in my life. But I have carried this because these are landmark orders of the Bombay Bench of Goa High Court, landmark, and also Supreme Court. And I have carried this judgment so that all these illegalities can be roadside, have to stop someday. But unfortunately, some other topics are being discussed.
Yeah. Okay. Thank
Thank
you,
you.
sir.